This video is Effective Maths 2, page 180, question 8. To start off with, we're given a general term, un, and we're asked to write down un plus 1 and un plus 2. So starting with un plus 1, I'm just going to replace the n with n plus 1. I'm going to use indices to tidy this up a little bit. And of course, minus a half to the 1 is just minus a half. So I can multiply that directly by the 2 at the start. So it tidies up to minus 1 times minus a half to the n minus 2. And now I get un plus 2. Again, I'll just replace the n with n plus 2. And in a similar way to previously, I'll split up my indices. So I'm going to square out that minus a half. And of course, then I can multiply the quarter directly by the 2, like so. In part 2, I'm asked to show that 2un plus 2 minus un plus 1 minus un equals to 0. So now what I'll do is I'll just substitute in my results for un plus 2, un plus 1 and un into this equation and tidy it up and see, do I in fact get the 0 I want? So firstly, 2 times un plus 2 minus un plus 1. And there we go. Next we'll multiply out. Notice that when I multiply the 2 into this bracket, I multiply it by the half. But I don't change this minus a half to the power of n. You can think of this as being like the same kind of situation as if I had a half x. I'd multiply the 2 by the coefficient, but I'd leave the rest of that term alone. And then of course 2 by minus 2 is your minus 4. Multiplying the next bracket gives this result. And then finally, I have minus 2 times minus a half n plus 2. And then I'm going to have a look at tidying it up. So having a look first of all at my constants, I can see that minus 4 plus 2, they're all going to cancel themselves out. And if I look at these two terms together, they're going to give me 2 times minus a half to the n. And of course, then I have that minus 2 times minus a half to the n also. And of course, these cancel off and give me my desired result of 0. Job done.